Hello, internet friends. My name is Tim Schrock. I want to bring you a bonus video today about custom shaped windows. I just got an email from a colleague that was asking about this, so I'm setting up just a quick model here. I'm going to draw this box and make sure that our roof is full gable wall on these ends, and this roof is a high shed wall. And so I'm going to build an automatic roof planes like that, and we're just going to take out the ceiling here so that it looks like this. It doesn't really matter what the shape is or the angle. I want to drop in a window up here that is fixed and matches the shape on both the top and the bottom. You do have to remove the sill and threshold, I'm pretty sure. And let's go to shape. Match roof. It'd be lovely, right, if we could reflect vertically, but we can't. So top and bottom, left and right, we'd want the bottom corners. So this side is 48, this side is 72. I want this side to be 48 and this side to be 48. So this right-hand corner is going to come up the difference, I believe, going to be the difference between these two. So that's going to be 24 inches up. So if that's 4 feet, that's 6 feet. That right side has to come up 24 inches, if that makes sense. So let's zoom in on this. You can see the difference. So I've got 48 and 72. When I hit match roof, that's what popped up. So let's do right and 24 inches. And click OK. There's my parallelogram. And I believe that's what he was asking for. Now, I can then once that's set, I can manually adjust the height of this like so, or I can go back into shape and kind of adjust where this is. I hope that's helpful. What we're looking for is shape, match roof, and I'm pretty sure it does. Yeah, we can't use having a sill or threshold on interior exterior when the bottom is not flat. All right. Hope that's helpful. If you like this, click like and subscribe. If you find it valuable, drop a small donation for a cup of coffee, even $5 at paypal.me/designbuildsolutions. Thanks so much. Have a great day.